softer and fluffier cupcakes as opposed to all-purpose flour. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in my bowl. I'm going to take out a 1/4 cup, then replace that with a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Mix everything together. That is all mixed in. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Toss everything together and go ahead and set this aside. Then we're going to mix the wet ingredients. In my stand mixer, I have 3/4 cup of softened unsalted butter. Into that, I am adding 1 1/4 cup sugar. Next, we're going to zest in 2 whole lemons to give the cupcakes a nice lemony flavor. Then I'm going to whisk all these together until they're very well mixed in. Add 2 whole eggs, 1 at a time. Mixing the eggs in 1 at a time will help them mix a lot better with the butter. Once the eggs are very well mixed in, go ahead and pour 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and the juice from 1 whole lemon. Whisk those ingredients. You want to add the dry ingredients in gradually, that way they mix better and you don't overmix the batter. If you overmix the batter, you're going to end up with very tough cupcakes, so try not to overmix. As soon as everything is incorporated, stop mixing. And make sure you scrape down the sides of your bowl to make sure everything has mixed in very well. Next, I lined my cupcake tins with cupcake liners. I am using an ice cream scoop to scoop the batter into each tin Fahrenheit. Then you're going to bake these for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once the cupcakes are done baking, you're going to transfer them onto a cooling rack and let them cool completely. So while the cupcakes are cooling, we're going to make a delicious lemon cream cheese frosting for them. In my stand mixer, I have a 1/2 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of cream cheese. I'm going to add the zest of 1 whole lemon. Go ahead and whisk these together on medium-high speed until they're very soft and fluffy, just like that. Next, I'm going to add 4 cups of powdered sugar. And make sure you add the powdered sugar a little bit at a time because that will help incorporate air into the frosting to give you the perfect result. Once your powdered sugar is mixed in, go ahead and add the juice of 1/2 a lemon. I also added some yellow food color to give the frosting a lemony color. Whisk everything